can have a good early game, dun mahihirapan si Carl.
Yun. Abangan nyo ang early game and kaya bang matulak ng Onyx PH into a game 3 itong laban na to. Especially considering that Carl is on a Claude. That's interesting. Let's go into game. Onyx PH and Bren Esports game 2.
And they actually switch up things, hindi mag-first blue, mag-first purple dito si Few. This is the thing about the Cho and Selena setup kasi. Kayang-kaya nila mag-first blood as long as makajit kundo concussive blast si Lasty.
Ikot lang, no?
Oo. Kapag nagawa nila yon, that is going to be the trap, the garrote, then that's going to be a kill.
Yep.
Pero sabi din nila dito, hindi rin tayo
Uy, teka.
capable of doing things. Pero si Lasty dito, kinalmot ni AC Yakno.
Gigil, sir.
Okay. Lasty dito, almost getting that. Okay, Lasty. Jeet Kundo will get away. Tignan natin kung magagawa niya talaga to.
Shoot
And
to!
that is going to be it.
Cool down. Ay, hindi. Level 1 pa lang pala.
Level 1, level 1, level 1.
Level 1. Gigil, ah.
Gigil
si
na
Lasty
gigil.
boy.
Gigil na gigil. And Jay
Level
dito
1 Ichi.
will just get away. And that gave Bren Esports a bit of time to sabihin na lang natin secure yung kanilang purple buff. It was a good try on Lasty's side. Diba? So, by the way, ang gusto ko lang i-point out din pala dito, Rockhart, is dating mag-teammate si Lasty tsaka si Jay.
Tama. Kung hindi yung tataalala,
Oo,
sila yung mga nagkasamang nag-champion.
Sila yung magkakasama
Season 3.
ng-champion. Sila yung magkakasama nag-MSC.
Tama.
So, ibig sabihin yan, alam nila kung paano gumalaw ang isa't isa.
For
Kasi
sure.
naging duo din sila eh. Nandaan mo yung
Yes.
Grak KJ connection.
Yup. Nung metang-meta pa si Grak,
Oo.
no? Long time ago. Feels like such a long time.
And Few dito,
Uy.
getting caught out doon sa may area na yon, he just really wanted to set up vision or probably annoy yung Lancelot dito into getting that orange buff. Pero sabi niya, okay, sige, bigay na lang natin kahit paano. And Onyx PH dito, at least they're punishing.
Yun na yun.
Napapunish nila yung ginagawang shenanigans dito ng Bren Esports. And if they continue, malaking chance na manalo sila dito.
Yep, I think so. And the early game tempo is very important for Onyx. And right now, they are getting what they want around the map. Problem is, Carl TC is also getting a lot. Diba? Madami ng gold na naipon si Carl TC. Paikot-ikot lang. Hindi siya sumasama sa mga teamfight. Yun ang kailangan bantayan sa gold. Sa itemization, mamaya guys, tignan nyo din yung item graphs. Ano na ba ang lagay ni Claude? And lumalaban na ba ang Bren?
And Lusty dito, try to go for basic. Basic is put in a very bad spot, but that is going to be the dragon use from Dilar, and doon matitigil yung laban. Lusty dito, siya ang hinahabol ni Dilar, pero sabi ni Flap, sige, ako na bahala, haharangan ko na lang. Kasi, sa totoo lang, kung hindi din naman ako makakas talaga ng todo-todo, might as well, harapan ko na lang din.
Blazing Duet is still being saved here by Carl TC mula kanina. I'm a little surprised because usually spam lang niya yan sa early game, di ba? So, I think he's getting ready for a fight anytime. Lamang pa rin naman siya sa levels for against most players. Of everyone. Siya pa rin yung pinakamataas yung level. Yung Claude.
Iyak na dito, nasipa papasok doon sa oh, that is a good flicker out.
Flicker.
And mechanics, look at
boy.
that. Nagamit niya yun sa split seconds na meron siyang opening doon. He used that perfectly. Kung nagamit niya yun after the kick was complete,
Nako, it's
that
over.
is going to be a takedown.
Oo.
Kasi may flicker din si Rebo eh.
And that's the thing. Again, small things. Kailangan yung bantayan, mga kaibigan.
Sino mo dito si Lasty?
Tapang?
Ang tapang ni Lasty,
Tapang
nangyayakap
naman ito.
lang talaga.
Wala lang, i-jit kundo ko lang kayo, nakap-nakap.
Oh, iyak na dito, tinamaan ng pana. But still, that won't really matter. Because masyadong malalim yun.
And Cartesi getting the turtle out of nowhere. Hindi ko din napansin kung bakit ganun kabilis sila mag-takedown ng turtle ngayon. Pero, these are good things that are happening for Bren. Kahit na 2-0, kahit na sobrang daming beses na out of position ng Bren, they are even on the gold score. Actually, lamang na nga ng konti at this point.
Pero si Rebo dito, tingnan mo kung paano niya hinuhold yung setup dito for the side of Bren Esports. Yung crab coin sana pupunta nila kay Carl, but still nakuha yun ni Yakno. At least he denies it doon kay Carl. Hindi makukuha ni Carl yung power spec na hinahanap niya mas maaga. Pero merong ding tulong doon sa may kabila, few getting caught out. And ito yung ito yung redeeming factor talaga sa ginagawa ng Onyx PH. hindi nila hinahayaan makuha ni Few yung galaw niya sa mapa
Oo.
na gusto niya. Na pinapakusahan nila as much as possible dito si Few para to the point na, alam mo yun, hindi niya na makuha yung vision na gusto niya at napafunnel pa nila or nabibigay pa nila kay Basic yung mga kills. And that's going to be a kill on the Uranus. Masyadong malalim din yung pwestuhan ni Ribo doon. Ni Flapsy doon.
Yep, nasobrahan tayo ng very, very slight.
Nasanay na tayo si Ribo yung gumagamit ng Uranus. Actually, si
Oo nga.
Ribo yung gumagamit usually ng Uranus.
Last game, siya yung gumamit
But for this shake-up, medyo napunta na kay Flap.
That's the funny thing about Bren Esports. Sobrang multi-role talaga ng mga players nila eh. Nakakatawa eh.
Oh! Jay there with the showtime! Let's see kung ano pa magagawa nila dito. Iyakno na knock-up pero he uses the flicker just in time. And Dilar dito yung Dragon binabaril-baril. The Pana will connect. And look at this, knock-up after knock-up. And eto na naman ang Bren Esports. They make the most out of the smallest mistakes.
Napakaliit lang na misposition noon around the bush area. Akala mo walang mangyayari. Pero Jay, out of a play by Onyx PH, Bren ang lumamang.
Bren Esports dito, paano mo ba sila pipigilan sa mga ganong pag-setup nila? Alam nila kung paano talaga kung pumili ng laban and here is your Gillette. Instant replay, #shave the day. What happened there, Rockhard?
Yeah, basically nag-set up si Jay and the follow-up was not there. Or at least they were there. Pero parang alam ng Bren na susunod sila eh. Sabi ng Bren, sige, sumunod kayo. This is what we are going to do here. We're sacrificed Lusty. Pero overall, masaya kami. Kasi after nun, naka-turtle pa ulit si Claude.
Tinan mo si Carl dito. He just goes in. And you know what? Dun sa replay na yon, tinamaan ng pana si Basic.
Exactly.
And that actually costed them a lot. Nag-out of bounds na dito. Nag-out of bounds na dito, ladies and gentlemen, si Dilar. Pero here comes the assault from Bren Esports. Onyx PH, they were looking so good. Si Flap dito, kamunti ka na siya ma-takedown. Just literally tanking up everything. Dilar dito, medyo alam na nilang kailangan na nilang mag-stick dito sa kanilang base. Although, I really want Onyx PH dito to take us to game number 3. But then again, Bren Esports, hindi nila hahayaan yun. And looking at how they control the map dito, pansinin mo yung side lanes, you'd know kung sino talaga yung nakalamang. Last dito trying to go in with the Jeet Kune Do. And here comes Kartzy. Basic going down. Jay will
Si
be the next
Carl.
target. Gusto pa ni Carl ng mas madaming kill. But they will stop there. And here comes the turret push. Will they go for the finish? That is the question. Oh, may Venus dito.
Grabe.
May ultimate ba siya? Yes, meron siyang ultimate at hindi ipipilit ng Bren Esports dito. Yung issue, they will just try to clear this as much as possible. But at this point on, nung bumalik na si Carl, I don't really think that they can force anything para tapusin na itong game.
I think so too. 100% kill participation para sa Claude. 5-0-3 over 8 kills.
Nahuli nila si Claude dito and this might be the perfect timing to actually get the kill on Kartzy. Ito na sinasabi natin, as long as matalunan si Kartzy,
Yun na yun.
magiging okay yung laban na to for the side of Onyx PH. Nahanap yun ng Onyx PH this time around and they will delay yung pag-push dito ng side ng Bren Esports. And look at this, 8 minutes in, 8-8 ang score natin. Ang daming 8.
There's so many 8s. Unfortunately, dun sa 8 na yan, it's also gonna be Carl going down as well, which is super important. That means na walang turtle yung Claude ni Carl TZ mamaya. And that means na medyo magiging even fight. Kahit na medyo lugi sila sa gold, lugi sila sa base, I think kaya talagang lumaban ng Onyx PH ng sabayan sa puntong ito,
Oy!
laban sa Brent.
Pinectus!
Pinektusan!
Pinectus! Wala!
Yummy!
Pinectus si Iyakno!
Hilo siya eh. Nahilo siya doon, man.
How?
How?
How is that possible?
Just, wait lang, another Another
Okay,
one.
may bago na tayong
Brilliant.
trick shot. Kung meron kayong tinatawag na freestyle show initiation, may emoji combo kayo. Meron sila kasi yan, tinatawag na Pectus.
The Pectus.
The Pectus move.
My God.
Oh, my Venus
Wala na.
dito getting caught out and look at this with a sliver of
Uy,
HP. Will he go down?
Uy, sa
Scar?
Torre! Nadulas. Torre natira. Pero in fairness naman, mahirap talaga i-pull off yun. Out of
And last
BMI.
dito, how can he get out of this? Nandun si Lance sa may likod. Pwede siyang i-go dito kung gugustuhin niya. Pero sabi ni Lance dito, sige pre, tigas ako eh. Kaya natin yan. Sabi niya kay Pew, Pew, sige, ako bahala, tigas ako eh.
I know. So Bren Esports, because of that, they are able to open up the base. At least, hindi sila makakapag-finishing move Pero napahina nila ang depensa ng Onyx PH sa laban na yun with a tower takedown. Kills are at 10 to 11. Very low kill game again, pero the impact can be felt all over the map, especially for Bren Esports. Si Carl TZ nang mamama na.
Nang mamama.
Batang-bata ka pa nang mamama ka na.
Pero alam mo, yan talaga yung talent ni Carl. I mean, Basic and Wise are really talented players as well. I mean, actually, everyone here are talented players. Pero kasi, there are times kasi na kailangan i-enable ka ng teammates mo to do greater things.
Yes.
So, ibig sabihin dito, I think Carl C is a good player, is a really good player. Pero kasi, kailangan mo din tignan kung paano siya i-enable ng mga teammates niya.
Yeah, that's very important. Especially magagawa ba niya yun kung wala dyan si Lasty, si Flap?
Di ba?
Sinang gugulo, hindi na may mektos si Lasty. Di ba? Hindi! Kailangan niya yung tulong ng teammates niya, especially with few on that Selena, making sure that everyone is controlled and visible on the map at all times.
Pero Basic dito, he
Agreed.
can actually steal yung Lord dito. Pero tinan mo yung ginagawa
Tinulak,
ni Flap dito.
hinabol.
Pabalik. And Wow!
Grabe yun, ah!
Dodge! Shaken
Grabe yun, ah.
shaken and bacon! Shaken and bacon! Na shake and bake!
Ito, si ano naman, si Basic, wala, na-bake lang.
No, na-bake lang. Pero na-shake and bake.
Na-shake and bake,
And si
man.
Delar dito trying
Agoy!
to get a kill on
Pinatay sa
Carl
kill.
C. There is actually going to be a kill on Carl C. So this game will prolong for a bit, I think.
Tatagal pa to.
Pero meron ng tao na nandun sa other side
Yung base.
ng base dito.
Yung
And they're
base.
actually trying to go for this. The minions are here. Few and the others. Ito na naman ang Brave
Here we go again.
Esports.
Undefeated again on their streak. 2-0 today against Onyx PH.